Hello everybody. Let's talk about temporomandibular joint. Yes, a much spoken about topic. Lately bothering a lot of patients. It starts with stiffness, starts with annoying soreness, often a clicking sound, very much heard close to the ear. It also manifests as inability to chew food or hard food for that matter precisely. With all these symptoms, patients come with an annoying pain, something that bothers them. When on assessment, we check the joint, we check the muscle, we check the bite of the occlusion, and thereby we decipher as to what is the cause of the problem, do some investigations in terms of x-rays or radiographs, and come up with a treatment plan curtailed to the patient's needs. So yes, TMJ or temporomandibular joint is more common than you think, and yes, treatment does exist.